welcome to another video from the farm. Today we're removing a wasp nest from our roof here. So you can just about see from down here the wasp nest that we've got left over in the roof here. So my plan is chip this out the roof, mount it sufficiently so it looks like a nice piece of artwork for the roundhouse. So my basic plan is going to take all this off so I can fully see it, and I'm going to try and ease it off dead gently, and then we'll make something with it. I'll just adjust the antlers so I can get past them. There we go. Looks mostly intact. Obviously they've all evacuated because it's winter now. Oh, it's gone extremely soft on the outside, way softer than I thought it was going to be. I guess this is because of the moisture in the air at the moment. So we'll attempt to take this off. I suspect though it's going to fall to bits now, which is going to be unfortunate. Go. Try with the knife first. See how we get on. Right, so I've got her out. It looks like we've already had some other insect move in, so I might have actually timed this too late to use this for a display of some sort. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel off a bit of an edge, see how I get on, because I either want to have it so it's side on like so with the centre core exposed, or I'm just going to completely remove the centre core and just display the centre. Not quite sure what I'm going to do yet. This is the bowl and stand I'm going to be using though. Now this was super cheap. It's made from pallet boards. Yeah, I think, what did it cost me, like £5 at a market or something? And this is just an old goldfish bowl. Again, these are super cheap. Less than £10 for that. Right, let's begin to take apart this nest then. See what we end up with that'll look cool to go in here. So whatever I do, I'm going to need a little log slice to sit it on so it raises it up above the edge of the bowl. So I think I'm either going to use a bit of this, or a bit of that just there, a bit of the spare wood that's by the roundhouse. The log's pretty good looking itself on the inside, but we've got ourselves a nice few bits of moss. It'll dry up nicely on it as well on the inside. A couple of bits of leftover fungus growing that again should dry up nice, create an extra bit of aesthetic on the base there. So plonk this in the middle and we can begin. little bits to pick out, and then I think we're done. So I've tried to carve this in a bit of a helmet sort of shape, if you can tell, because when I was opening it up, I thought this bit here looks like some eyes and a mouth. Right then, final piece. Bosh. Sorted. Kind of think it looks a bit like a Ninja Turtle in a way. At the same time, some sort of Pokemon character. Yes, sir. Pretty pleased how this has turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you've enjoyed watching me turn this wasp nest into a little man. Right then, hope you've enjoyed this video, watching me make this. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're not already a subscriber, don't forget to hit that bell notification button. Right then, until next time, bye bye.